Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the project and clicking Create, then pick Bug as the issue type. Describe what failed in a single clear summary so triage is immediate. Add environment details, browser, OS, app version, device, because developers need to reproduce the context. Once done, attach a short reproduction title and assign priority roughly based on impact and frequency. This helps routing. Make sure to set labels or components to match your team's conventions, so the ticket lands with the right group. Now you write the reproduction steps clearly and in order, using short numbered steps that anyone can follow. Explain the expected behavior in one sentence, then state the actual behavior so the gap is obvious. Attach screenshots, screen recordings, or logs that show errors or timestamps. Include sample data if needed. If the bug is intermittent, note frequency and any workarounds you tried. This speeds debugging. Once done, fill in severity and any linked issues to provide full context. Finish by reviewing the ticket for clarity and checking for duplicates so you don't create noise. Assign or transition to the right team, add watchers, and tag sprint or fix version to plan work. If the bug can't be reproduced, try to reproduce locally and capture exact steps and environment. Update the ticket with new artifacts. If nothing helps, add diagnostic notes and request a pairing session. Make sure to follow up and close the loop once a patch or workaround is validated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.